affecting you. I don't, maybe you put it
Yes, sir.
close to my, did you put it close to the laptop or so?
You said,
Something like radio or something. Okay,
oh,
let's
you
go
said I
on.
was,
Let's go
you
on.
said
Let's go on.
radio. Okay, no
Yes, I
problem.
don't know. It's affecting button. Okay,
Oh,
let's
sorry.
continue. 8.6.
Okay.
Have you seen
8.6.
8.6?
Yes, 8.6 was saying it.
Show how to select 30 random samples of 4 students each with replacement from table 2.1 by using random numbers. Find the mean and standard deviation of the sample distribution of means in part A. Compare the result of part B with theoretical values, explaining any discrepancies. This will take some of our time, and I want you to listen very well. So, he said, show how to select 30 random samples. Now, before we've been selecting 2, isn't it?
Yes.
This one want to select 30 random samples. So this is where, okay, so we want to select 30 random samples of 4 students each. It should be 4 students each. So instead of from the total of 30, you want to select what? 4. Are you there?
Yes.
So with replacements from table 2.1. So can you go to table 2.1? Table 2.1 is given, we've studied that table 2.1 before. Let me see if I can help you write it down. But you have access to it on your laptop. Table 2.1, can you open there?
Yes, yes, yes.
Have you seen it?
Yes.
Let me try and check it.
Okay, I can see table 2.1.
Okay. So it's like you have height in inches and you have number of students. So less than 59.5 is 0, less than 62.5 is so
Yes.
less than 62.5 is 23, right?
Yes.
So what is less than 68.5? Less than 68.5 is what? I'm asking a question. Less than 68.5 is what?
Less than 68.5 is 42.
It's not 42. That means we are not on the same page.
Sorry, it's 18. 18. Sorry. 18.
Table, what are you checking?
Table 2.1.
Sixty-nine to 71 is what? 69 to 71 is what?
9 to 71
Mhm.
is 27.
Okay, that means we're on the same page. So we are told to show how to select 30 random samples of 4 students each with replacement from table 2.1 by using random numbers. So this is how you go about it. Now, when you check that table 2.1, you will see that the total number of students there is 100, isn't it? We want to
Yes.
select from that 100, 30, and want to take a sample size of what? Of 4. So the first thing you're going to do is to Now, there is a table we call sampling table. And that sampling table, you see it in figure, you see it in appendix 9. When you open to appendix 9,
Okay, let me open to appendix 9.
actually is in your four-figure table. But because we don't have four-figure table, we use that.
Guys.
So are you there?
Yes.
So you see that for 60 to 62, the frequency is what? Is 5, isn't it? So for you to
Yes.
split that 5, this is the way you will write it. You start from 0. You start from 0, you write 0 to 04. Are you there?
Yes.
Then you pick, you want to write 4 random numbers, and those random numbers must fall between 0 to 100. So you pick 0 to what? To 04. That will accommodate the 5 frequencies. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 5 frequencies, right? Hello, Shay.
Yes.
So you move to the next one. 5 plus 18 is 22, right?
Yes.
So you start 05 to 22. Then 22 plus 42 is 64, right? Then you start
Yes.
again 23 to 60, 23 to 64. Do you get that?
Yes.
64 plus 27 is what? 91, right?
Yes.
So that's how to generate the sampling numbers. Can I move on?
Yes.
Okay, you will notice that when you are picking maybe 27, 27 falls between 23 to 64. You are picking maybe 27 from the list of sampling numbers. You want to pick 27. 27 falls within what? 23 to 64. If you want to pick 51, maybe you want to pick 51. 51 falls
Yes.
between what? 23 to 64. You want to pick 77. 77 falls between what? 65 to 91. Like that and like that. So that's
Yes.
how to generate sampling numbers. So you see that this particular distribution is a group frequency distribution, right? So that's how to generate its own sampling numbers. So it says show how to select 30 random samples of 4 students each by using random numbers. So we've been able to get that. So the next one is find the mean and standard what? Deviation of the sampling distribution of the means in part A. So from the sampling that you have just done, am I communicating?
Yes.
So from the samples you have just done, we are told to generate what? The mean. So how do you calculate the mean? Is that you use an assumed mean method, or you use what? Or you use the normal mean apart from the assumed mean? When we want to use the assumed mean method, we want to use the assumed mean method, mean equals to A plus or the coding machine method. We use this, right? coding machine method, right? A plus C into summation F of U over summation F, isn't it? Or you write this one as N, isn't it? Can you remember
Yes.
where your U is your what? What's formula for U? What's formula for U? U is what?
Let me check the formula.
You need to know it offhand though. Okay, check. Let me give you privilege to check. At least that way you know where it is in your notes.
X minus A over C, actually.
So, okay, X minus A over C. So I think you can compute this, right?
Yes.
Okay. So um, you can get the standard deviation as well, right?
Yes.
Can you guess what the standard deviation would be?
Hold on, I'm coming.
Isn't it?
Yes.
Times C, isn't it?
Yes.
Do they always give you formulas in exam?
Yes. No, some.
So you need to
Yes, usually,
memorize.
yes.
They do give you formulas. But what if the
Yes.
formulas we were given is not the one you are acquainted with? So now that is about this. So let's apply this formula using that table we have there. Using the table we have there. Now, assuming you can pick any value of your choice. Hmm? But the one that was picked there is 67. And the one that was picked in that table, 2.1 is 67. Just pick any one, 67, assuming plus, what's your C? Your C will be what? Difference between the upper limit and the lower limit, right?
Yes.
So that would be 68.5 minus 65.5. Hello, Shay.
Yes.
Now, we now want to use this table to what? To calculate what we have there. So your frequency, your summation F of U, maybe you open to the next page. Open to the next page. That's 214. Have you seen 214?
Yes.
Okay. So 214. Let's generate a table. Let's generate a table for what we have here. So we now want to use all these sampling numbers to generate a table in such a way that we will have four. Hello? Hello, Shay.